Welcome to special grade timing edition. Here we're going to run our train as fast as possible without getting caught by the grade timing. You guys ready? Let's rock and roll. Set to forward, doors closing, letting off on the brakes. Got doors, full power. Now we're going to cheat this, so we wait a few seconds, full power. Cleared. Approaching keel. Full brakes.
Arriving at keel station.
Tether off. My partner got the doors. In this setup, I close. Got doors, full power.
The next station is Hyde Park Station.
Full brakes.
Arriving at Hyde Park Station.
Let off. Full brake. Tether off. Partner got the doors. Doors closing. Brakes are off. Got doors, full power.
The next station is Runnymede Station.
Full brakes.
Arriving at Runnymede Station.
Tether off. Brakes. Doors. Brakes are off. Full power.
The next station is Jane Station.
Remember, in this one, we cheat as much as possible. Full brakes as we're on an
Arriving
incline.
at Jane Station.
Partner got doors. Closing. Brakes are off. Full power. Now we're going to cheat this section.
The next station is Old Mill Station.
Keep watching. Off. That should clear, but we're cutting it close. As soon as we get to this one, full power. Full power. Barely made that one. This one should change close. Here we're coming in really fast, so we're
Arriving at Old
so we
Mill-
need our backup
Old Mill
plan,
Station.
which is emerge. Perfect landing. Doors. Brakes are off. Full power.
The next station is Royal York Station.
Approaching Royal York. Full brakes.
Arriving at
This
Royal
should
York.
probably make
Royal
a
York
perfect
Station.
landing, as is. We got to tether off. We're a little close. Okay, we made that. Doors. Brakes are off. Full power.
The next station is Islington Station.
Now let's have some fun. But it's okay, it's only a simulator, so nothing can go wrong. Here's the part where you get jerked when you're going through the crossover at full power, which is a total no-no. But for our purposes, Okay, we're approaching. Pay attention. Full brakes as we're coming in fast. Full power. Clear.
Arriving at Islington Station.
Full brakes. Tether off. Closing doors. Brakes are off. Full power. You're supposed to be in series, but we'll do it.
The next station is Kipling Station.
Typically, the first signal shouldn't be an issue, but you have to kill a few seconds for the second one. Wait. Okay, off. 1, 2, 3, full power. Very nice. Off marker, we'll ignore it for our purposes. Full power, we'll clear it just in time. Very good. I don't recommend approaching this fast at the terminal landing, but it's okay for the simulator. Okay, here we come. 3, 2, 1, full brakes. Full power. Again, series, but we'll use off and full power. Now we have to kill some time here, as this signal is
arriving at Kipling Station.
Tighter than normal. Full power. Full brakes. Tether off. Full brake, emerge. This run is done. Thank you for watching.